Hello, I'd like to show you how to install our high volume valve converter. It's actually our cheapest offering, but that's because you are replacing your existing valve. So to do that, it's a very simple process. First of all, is remove all your air from your tyre. Okay, and then what you want to do is actually unscrew your existing Presta valve. So use the standard Presta valve removal tool. Unscrew the valve, disregard that, and then use our converter. Our converter needs no tools to install it, just screw it on the end. There's a little O-ring at the end. Once it's got through the O-ring, you'll feel it go tight. Put it into the adjustment position, which is at the end of this. Okay. Again, it's designed to work with all standard lever pumps. Pop pump on. So she's seated already. Of course, when you do this at home, you'll pump it fully up to the pressure you want.